Welcome to MarineMax at Silver Spring Marine in Wakefield, Rhode Island. My name is Keith Abel, and I'd like to show you the 275 Sailfish 2019. This is a dual console. The boat is powered with Yamaha twin 150 4-stroke engines. The boat does have a live well off the starboard side transom. You do have a ski tow bar that pops up and a freshwater shower. These boats are meant for fishing, cruising, entertaining. It's just a family-friendly boat with tons of seating, a lot of cup holders that can do it all. You do have an aft seat in the back. You have another seat that pops out from the port side. A little bit of a little wet bar, storage. There's a table that drops in right here. You do have a nice flip-flopping seat for different seating options, and also a lay flush. At the helm station, you do have a Garmin GPS chart plotter, fish finder, VHF radio, and Fusion stereo. You have in-floor storage that's lockable. And as we come up to the bow of the boat, you'll see that there's a little bit more seating, cup holders, storage underneath both cushions, and you do have an anchor windlass. For more information on this 275 dual console Sailfish 2019, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.